In the annals of India's history, there stands a towering figure whose legacy is etched in the very foundation of the nation. Today, we delve into the remarkable life of Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel, the Iron Man of India. Born on 31st October 1875 in Nadiad, Gujarat, Vallabhbhai Patel grew up in a humble household. His early years were marked by simplicity, but his resolve and determination were evident from the start. Patel's journey towards becoming the architect of modern India began with his education in law. After studying in England, he returned to India and started his legal practice in Ahmedabad. It was during his legal career that Patel found his calling as a leader. He became deeply involved in India's struggle for independence, joining Mahatma Gandhi's movement for non-violent resistance. Patel's organizing skills and unwavering commitment soon earned him the title of Sardar, meaning leader. He became an integral part of the Indian National Congress and played a pivotal role in various freedom struggles. One of Patel's most significant contributions came during the partition of India in 1947. With his diplomatic finesse and foresight, he played a crucial role in the integration of over 500 princely states into the Indian Union. This monumental task earned him the title Iron Man of India. His vision and determination laid the groundwork for a united and cohesive nation.
थे चले भाई पटेल। करमसद गांव के इस बहादुर देशभक्त किसान और उनकी पत्नी लाडबाई के 5 बेटों और 1 बेटी में से चौथे।
Today, Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel's legacy lives on through the Statue of Unity, the world's tallest statue erected in his honor in Gujarat. But beyond the monuments and accolades, Patel's true legacy lies in his unwavering commitment to the ideals of unity, integrity, and justice. Sardar Patel's life is a testament to the power of determination, leadership, and selflessness. His journey inspires us to strive for a better future, where unity and equality prevail. As we remember the Iron Man of India, let us carry forward his legacy and continue to build a nation that honors his vision of unity in diversity.